Hey everyone, Anthony Gerbi here from Stein Financial Group, back again with another edition of Thursday Thoughts. We are continuing our series, the ABCs of Finance. And in the meantime, before I get to our next letter, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do it. It really does help us out. So this week, we've got kind of an interesting letter. X is for X, according to this book, and X being a variable in an equation, for example. To me, it feels a little bit like the author here maybe was wondering what to put as an X and just kind of went with it. But we can still use that as kind of a prompt for something related to something I talk about every day, which is solving the retirement equation, for example, or solving the income equation, right? There are variables in our lives. What's our pension income? What's our Social Security income? Where are our assets? How much do we want to spend? All of those are variables. But the X, the thing we're trying to solve for, often feels like this nebulous thing that you can't solve for, which is, am I going to be okay? Another way to put it would be, am I going to outlive my money? That feels so nebulous that a lot of people don't even try to solve for it. But let me tell you, I solve for that X every day. And sometimes, to be fair, it's a moving target, right? It's not just one concrete answer. But I will say we have had success in solving for that X, solving for that missing variable, that am I going to be okay variable. So you know your income, you know your assets. Maybe you don't. Maybe you want us to help you get a handle on that. That's fine too. But if you don't know the answer to your X marks the spot of will I be okay in retirement, that is something that can be solved for. That's what we do every day. That's kind of one of the more succinct ways I could put what I do on a daily basis is I help you solve for the X of will I be okay? And I think what the barrier for a lot of people for taking the first step in solving for that problem is not even realizing that it's a problem that can be solved, right? It feels, again, like this nebulous thing that you don't have control over. Let me tell you, you do, and you can know the answer to it. So if you fall into the category as somebody who doesn't feel like they have a good handle on it, that's a great reason to get in touch with us. We do consultations where we can help get at the root of that question and, if you'd like, help you solve it.